Are you tired of relying on over-the-counter painkillers for relief? What if I told you there are 14 all-natural remedies sitting right in your kitchen that can reduce pain and inflammation, without the side effects? Stick around, because not only are we diving into these powerful remedies, but we'll also share 2 amazing recipes at the end that you can easily make at home to start feeling better today. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Be Your Health, and today we're exploring natural remedies that help relieve pain and inflammation. Whether you're dealing with sore muscles, arthritis, or just general discomfort, these tips will help you take control of your health, naturally. Before we get started, remember this video is for educational purposes only and doesn't replace professional health advice. Always consult your doctor before trying new remedies. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful health content. Segment 1, Why Natural Remedies? Let's first talk about why natural remedies can be so effective. For centuries, herbs, spices, and other natural ingredients have been used to manage pain and inflammation. These remedies often have fewer side effects than medications and can be easily added to your daily routine. Today, we'll cover 14 of the best remedies that you can try at home, plus 2 incredible recipes at the end, so stick around for that. Segment 2, Turmeric, Curcumin. First up is turmeric, which contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory. It works by blocking inflammatory pathways, reducing pain caused by conditions like arthritis. How to use it: add turmeric to your meals, take it as a supplement, or make a comforting turmeric tea. Segment 3, Ginger. Next is ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger helps reduce muscle pain and stiffness, especially after physical activity. How to use it: incorporate fresh ginger into smoothies, soups, or even brew a warm cup of ginger tea. Segment 4, Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon, chia seeds, and flax seeds, help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. They're particularly great for joint pain and arthritis. How to use it: include omega-3 rich foods in your diet, or consider taking a high-quality fish oil supplement. Segment 5, Epsom salt bath. For sore muscles and joints, an Epsom salt bath can offer soothing relief. Epsom salt contains magnesium, which helps relax muscles and reduce inflammation. How to use it: add 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt to your bathwater and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Segment 6, Capsaicin cream. Capsaicin, found in chili peppers, is a natural pain reliever. It works by reducing the amount of substance P, a chemical that transmits pain signals to the brain. How to use it: use over-the-counter capsaicin creams for joint and muscle pain. Be careful, it can feel spicy on sensitive skin. Segment 7, Essential oils. Lavender and peppermint. Lavender and peppermint essential oils are both excellent for reducing pain and inflammation. Lavender is calming, while peppermint has a cooling, pain-relieving effect. How to use it: mix a few drops of essential oil with a carrier oil and gently massage into sore muscles or joints. Segment 8, Heat and cold therapy. One of the simplest remedies is alternating heat and cold therapy. Heat increases blood flow and relaxes muscles, while cold reduces swelling and numbs pain. How to use it: apply a warm compress or heating pad for 15 to 20 minutes, followed by a cold pack for the same amount of time. Segment 9, Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which help reduce inflammation. It's particularly helpful for chronic conditions like arthritis. How to use it: sip on 1 to 2 cups of green tea daily to help lower inflammation. Segment 10, Willow bark. Willow bark is often called nature's aspirin because it contains salicin, a compound similar to aspirin. It's great for reducing headaches, muscle pain, and joint discomfort. How to use it: willow bark is available in tea or supplement form. Be sure to follow dosage guidelines and consult with a healthcare professional. Segment 11, Boswellia. Frankincense. Boswellia, also known as frankincense, is a powerful anti-inflammatory used for centuries. It's great for reducing swelling and pain, especially in arthritis sufferers. How to use it: take it as a supplement or look for topical creams containing Boswellia. Segment 12, Acupuncture. Acupuncture has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years to relieve pain and reduce inflammation. How to use it: visit a licensed acupuncturist to ensure safe and effective treatment. Segment 13, Pineapple. Bromelain. Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple, helps reduce inflammation and pain, especially after injury or surgery. How to use it: enjoy fresh pineapple or take bromelain supplements to reduce swelling and pain. Segment 14, Arnica is a homeopathic remedy often used to treat bruising, muscle pain, and joint discomfort. How to use it? Arnica is available as a cream or gel. Apply it directly to the sore areas for relief. Segment 15. Yoga and stretching. Incorporating yoga and stretching into your routine can help reduce tension, improve flexibility, and relieve pain. How to use it? Try simple stretches or yoga poses like child's pose, downward dog, or gentle twists to ease sore muscles. Interactive break. Quiz time. Okay, quiz time. Which natural remedy is known as nature's aspirin? Is it A, willow bark, B, turmeric, or C, ginger? Comment below with your answer. If you guessed A, willow bark, you're right. Great job. Storytime break, real life testimonial now. Let's hear from Sarah, who found relief from her chronic pain using some of these natural remedies. Sarah, can you share your story? Hi everyone. I've struggled with chronic back pain for years. After trying turmeric, ginger, and Epsom salt baths, I noticed a huge improvement in my pain levels. I also started adding omega-3s to my diet, and I feel so much better. I highly recommend giving these a try. Thanks for sharing, Sarah. It's amazing to hear how these natural remedies have helped you. Bonus segment, recipes you don't want to miss. And now, as promised, here are 2 easy recipes to help you naturally reduce pain and inflammation. Let's get cooking. Recipe 1. Anti-inflammatory golden milk. Ingredients: 1 cup almond or coconut milk. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, or fresh grated ginger. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. Pinch of black pepper, to boost absorption of curcumin. 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup is optional. Instructions. 1. Heat the almond or coconut milk in a small saucepan over medium heat. 2. Add turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper, and stirring to combine. 3. Simmer for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. 4. Remove from heat and sweeten with honey or maple syrup if desired. 5. Enjoy your soothing, anti-inflammatory golden milk. Recipe 2. Ginger turmeric smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana. ½ cup frozen pineapple. 1/2 teaspoon fresh grated ginger. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 cup coconut water or almond milk. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, optional. Instructions. 1. Add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. 2. Pour into a glass and enjoy this refreshing, anti-inflammatory smoothie. By adding these recipes to your daily routine, you can start to experience the natural healing power of food. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these natural remedies for pain and inflammation? Which ones have worked for you? Or do you have your own go-to remedy? Share your experience in the comments below. I love reading your stories, and your advice might just help someone else in our community. There you have it, 14 natural remedies for pain and inflammation, plus 2 delicious recipes. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could benefit. Thanks for watching, and stay